Hello traders, in this video I would like to recap 2021 in our trading room with institutional Alpha Fibonacci system traded globally in more than 50 countries. After the close of the trading room this morning, I am on my way to the Middle East to meet with hedge fund managers, to meet with retail traders who are trading the system. Have you been riding institutional power this year? Do you understand the importance of this historical moment? All of this identified months in advance. Intelligent trader who are trading any chart starts each morning with this institutional chart. And if you were present in the trading room in the months of September, you knew this was a historical moment. This bearish correction, the biggest bearish correction in the last 18 months. Price did not crash. Vicious buying is on in the months of September. Vicious buying is on, software showing you clearly this morning, again and again and again. This is in front of you, broker's heaven. This is when intelligent trader not wasting brain power. This is when intelligent trader understands market is done, market is finished. Only when powerful pullback will play out, intelligent trader will look at the charts. And it doesn't matter what instrument you trade. Do you trade Bitcoin? When I will meet with Ken in London next, listen to the podcast with Ken. In case you missed the prior event of our review of Bitcoin, please view. And if I click on thousands and thousands of posts from the trading room, intelligent trader understands this is every single day, non-stop, from traders all over the world. It will never change. You simply have to decide, what instrument do you want to trade? Is it S&P? Is it pound yen? Is it crypto? What kind of trader are you? You decide. Choice is yours. Is it Forex? So when I click on tens of thousands of emails and posts this year alone, this is an ultimate reminder. Be an intelligent strategic trader. Do not gamble. Ride institutional power. This is institutional system. Institutions do not pull a trigger on little junky charts. Institutions takes days, weeks and months to take a position. Vertical rally is on. Market is unstoppable. What have you done in 2021? Have you been riding institutional power? Have you been successful? Or have you been standing in front of bullish train? Do you know your trading range each morning? Do you know where to take a position? Do you know where to exit? This is day trading chart. It's a vertical bullish rally. Monday was ideal and spectacular. Yesterday was stunning and flawless. This morning, a very different market. This morning, brand new historical high. It's a crawl, it's a pain. When you start understanding this, when you start thinking and trading as hedge fund manager does, the skies are the limit. You have zero interest in being majority. You are not chasing junky indicators. You understand that happiness lies in quality trading that starts with you. That's it. I live and breathe what I do. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. Thank you, Clinton, for being here this morning. It is my joy being your mentor, That's it. Non-stop. Thousands and thousands of emails later. What kind of trader are you? You decide. That's it. This is the last software and last system you will ever need. Next year we will be expanding drastically more into Bitcoin, into cryptocurrencies that are becoming mainstream. Because if my traders can trade Bitcoin, if Ken can do so on his iPhone via options with Alpha Fibonacci system, so can you. That's it. If mom of 2 little babies at home can do this, so can you. 5–10 minutes of actual trade time at the key level. Those are the events for in our trading room. You decide what you want to trade. And as I'm speaking with my incredible traders this morning, as Georgie shares in his podcast that we will be uploading to our podcast channel, Intelligent Trader does exact same thing as Tom Brady does, practicing, working on demo before trading live. That's it. This is a course and system for serious traders. If Richard can do it, so can you. You never pull a trigger until you at least double your account. I coach you exact same thing I coach to JP Morgan traders. That's it. Choose quality trade, please. Never ever forget that. You have zero interest being a majority. You only have interest being top 1%. In order to become top 1%, you need to stop doing what majority does. The only thing you need is pure price. You have zero interest in junky indicators. This is gold bouncing from bottom the entire 2021. But again and again and again, as Intelligent Trader knows, as I teach in the final live class next, this is a system. This is gold. In December 2020, before the crash. Do you see that? Let's take gold more. Let's go all the way to July. All of this from our trading room. All of this from the classes. If you can do this, you can trade as Intelligent Trader does. Strategically. Time and time again. No junky indicators. Pure price only. This is all you will ever need. Each morning you start with preservation of capital. And if you're trading Tesla and Bitcoin, of course you can. If I take you back on Tesla to the start of 2021, this was a place to buy Tesla. Intelligent Trader knows that. No speculation here. Pure strategic intelligent trading. Choice is yours. Is it S&P? Is it Nasdaq? Is it Bitcoin or is it Tesla? That's it. Black and white. Absolutely up to you what you will decide to trade. And if single mom who tried for 12 years and shares on the podcast can do this, so can you. It never gets old. If it's S&P or gold or high beta stock spreads and indexes? Of course, you can. So here's one of the favorite events of 2021 traders, Bitcoin with Alpha Fibonacci System. Let's go back all the way to December 2020, shall we? Again, all of these charts, all the discussions from this trading room. Here's Bitcoin before the World Convention. When the world is excited and thrilled that Miami is becoming epicenter of Bitcoin, what does the intelligent trader knows many months in advance? This is not the place to buy Bitcoin. This is a place to buy Bitcoin. This is a place to take profits off the table and walk away until Bitcoin give you quality point of entry. Here's Bitcoin at the start of 2021, before global event. Price reaching Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands this is a key support on Bitcoin. This support is out, Bitcoin in free fall. It's a quiet before the storm. Bitcoin selling off. Right at the time of the World Bitcoin event. 65%. This is a place to buy Bitcoin. Intelligent trader knows this. In the course you learn how to buy institutional bottom and how to sell institutional top. That's it. Choice is yours. If it's S&P, if it's Nasdaq, or if it's Bitcoin. This never gets old. You will never, ever need another system again. Historical event on Bitcoin again. This is lifeline on Bitcoin. Intelligent trader knows this. And again, and again, and again. All of this identified weeks and months before the event. This is institutional chart that intelligent trader starts with. So here's few of my favorite emails over the years. When 76-year-old Jeff fires his financial advisor and starts managing his own account. When 14-year-old son of hedge fund manager loves to day trade futures, his father loves to position trade stocks. What kind of trader are you? If emergency room doctor knows where to exit Bitcoin and how to trade metals, commodities, and stocks with Alpha Fibonacci system, so can you. What is the biggest lesson this morning? Simplicity in front of you. The bold green line is the place to buy. The bold red line is not the place to buy. This is broker's heaven. Price reached reversal zone, but market not selling off. This is how intelligent trader thinks each and every morning. Preservation of capital is the most important part. It's not about chasing lucky point. It's about strategic, intelligent trading, knowing your trading range. It's extremely limited this morning. But I hope lessons of this year are extremely clear. Bullish rally remains intact. Vicious buying is on. So if you're ready to trade with institutions, if you're ready to become strategic, intelligent trader and trade any instrument you choose, I look forward working with you in 2022. Join our global community of traders from beginner to hedge fund manager who are trading all instruments on all platforms. You can trade on Thinkorswim. You can trade on MT4, MT5, charts and platforms I've never heard of. If it has Fibonacci tool on it, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. System also available as a lifetime license for Ninja 8, which comes with software and multi-market scanner. On the multi-market scanner, you can install any instrument you choose. Students scanning thousands of stocks in a matter of minutes. every single trader that you can listen to on our podcast channel has a different background, trades different account, chose from different course. So please choose from course appropriate for you. Currently we're offering the biggest savings ever, up to 5,000 from each package. 4 months private mentoring includes all group classes, video library modules, live classes, trading room. 3 months group course, live classes, video library modules, trading room included. Simply sign up on the website. And if you are in Sydney, and if you are in Melbourne, or if you are in Moscow, or if you are in Plano, Texas, or Dallas, or Los Angeles, or New York, of course you can watch videos 24/7. Hundreds and hundreds of videos in member area from live classes. I look forward working with you. All I'm asking you to make an effort. And when you do, you can be this trader. Simply make an effort and decide what you want to trade. Is it stocks? Is it Forex? Is it futures? If mom of 2 little babies can do this, so can you. That's what it's all about for me. I'm off to the Middle East to meet with students such as Mustafa, who is quitting his job. This is the last week he's working for someone. He's trading Alpha Fibonacci System, supporting family of 5. That's it. So no matter where you are, I'm traveling the world meeting with you. I met with Brett in New York. That's it. I live and breathe what I do. I met with Jason in California. That's it. It never gets old. So thank you so much everyone for spectacular, incredible 2021. I'm honored to be your mentor. Any questions for me? After you review the podcast, students' emails and reviews on the website, do not hesitate to contact me. Even if I travel the world, I always bring my computer with me. If I work from Wall Street, if I work from Middle East, if I work from Australia or London, when I work with hedge fund managers, I work with retail traders as well. So please do not hesitate to contact me. US 925-257-4298 or email me your phone number, please. Our global community of traders since 2011 keeps expanding all over the world. You can always request invitation to the trading room where you can view the system to the tick. This is what it all starts with: simplicity and purity, and quality trading. Preservation of capital is the most important part. Software spelled out. Enjoy the holiday. Do not babysit the junk. That's it. Trade the power. And when you're ready to trade the power and obey the rules, I look forward working with you. It's that simple. You simply need to make an effort. And when you do, the skies are the limit. Have a spectacular, magnificent holiday season. I'm honored to be your mentor. I'm off to the live class where I will be teaching my students how to trade as institutional hedge fund trader.